Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My correct people, e be like say the king don't forget the way he gets Queen Tadenikawo. Like we heard allegedly that they now remind the king how he gets Tadenikawo and of what value Tadenikawo is to him in that palace. That he couldn't, as in he's not supposed to allow Tadenikawo to be wherever Tade is right now. But if he knows exactly what Tadenikawo is protecting him for, that is, if he knows exactly the work of Tadenikawo in his life, what Tadenikawo stands for him, why Tadenikawo is there for him, because the king don't understand that Tadenikawo is like in the gap for him. If not for Tadenikawo, allegedly, as we heard, I don't know what the king will be doing in that throne. So my lovely people, allegedly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg you please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. So, don't forget that we heard that Oba Elegushi stormed the palace to see Queen Naomi. To see the king, to tell him what Queen Naomi said. Allegedly, we heard that Queen Naomi told Oba Elegushi that she is ready to come back to the palace, but that is if the king do the needful. That she is ever ready. That the king have come to her in the Lekki mansion and asked her, is he going to continue with the preparation of their wet wedding? And she said yes. That she is still surprised why the king is still comfortable with the Oloris in the palace. That is not what she expects from the king. After coming to her in the Lekki mansion to ask her to please, to tell him what she think about their white wedding, while Queen told him that let him carry on. Now, as e be like say the thing don dey linger, so as the thing come dey prolong like that, na im Queen go meet Oba Elegushi. That is why we heard that Oba Elegushi paid Ooni of Ife a surprise visit. Yes, Oba Elegushi paid Ooni of Ife a surprise visit, and you see that surprise visit, Oba Elegushi don use the opportunity to tell Ooni of Ife everything that he needs to know about Queen Naomi's return. That Queen Naomi is set and ready to return today if you will do the needful. That she don't want to stay with anybody in that palace. So my correct people, as we know, let us not digress too much. Although Queen Naomi coming back to the palace and Tadenikawo is still the same thing, because there is no how Queen Naomi will come back to the palace without Tadenikawo. So they don inform Ooni of Ife say Tadenikawo is the reason why he is there in that throne. In case if he have forgotten. If he have forgotten, let them remind him that Tadenikawo Ogunwusi, the handsome son that beautiful Queen Naomi begot for the king, that he is the reason why the king is still in that throne. That let him not forget. That this thing, that anywhere he goes, they will ask him, where is Queen Naomi? Where is Tadenikawo? What did he even think? Why is it that he keeps quiet over all of this thing? They don't tell and say, without Tadenikawo, that throne, another person will take it away from you. That is only a tree will hear say, you are about to be cut down and you still stand where you are. That warnings that have been coming from different sources, warning from Iyami Osoronga, warning from Ilemolu Abiwoti,
Wetin I don't know that goddess.
So my people warning from the river goddess, warning from different prophetess and prophecies, as in prophets and prophetesses. All of these things, warning from the Odua forest custodian, is if warning from the Ifa priest that come from Brazil. All these warnings and all these advices that is coming to the king, they say make they remind the king that the reason why he is still in that throne is because of Tadenikawo. And na that same Tadenikawo they are talking about, that he should go and bring back to the palace, and he's there wasting time. That why is he still wasting time over that? My correct people, I don't understand why the king is behaving the way he's behaving. Because I mean, I don't know, seriously. When they told you that it's because of Tadenikawo, and you know who begot Tadenikawo? Na Queen Naomi. You and Queen Naomi is supposed to stay together. Why the same Queen Naomi is out there? What do you expect? When Queen Naomi is with you, don't you know how you progress? Now that Queen Naomi is not with you, things are going upside down. Now you even use your mouth to say this Olori is na okay. There's no how you can compare darkness and the light together. Why are you now trying to cherish the darkness more than the light? I'm not saying that anybody is darkness. So na the thing wey Ooni of Ife talk allegedly, na I dey quote. My correct people, make una no misunderstand me o. So the same Ooni of Ife talk say there is no how you go compare light and darkness. And the same thing wey dey happen right now, say the light wey you need to shine come dey outside, while you are still in the palace with those people you think they are darkness. My correct people, make una dey understand though. So they say make dem go remind the king say that Prince Tadenikawo that made you to be in that throne till now need to come closer to you. If not, that something terrible might happen, of which they don't dey alarm you to you. They don't dey give you warning, from warning to warning, from story to story, from pillar to pole, from advice to advice, from instruction to instruction. You still dey waste time. I just say make I tell una wetin I hear. My correct people, make una no forget say na alleged information. So this is what I heard, and they say that the people wey remind Ooni of Ife this thing, they say make dem remind am in case na forget wey him forget. It's not good that he forgets such a thing. The last time we heard that God healed him through Tadenikawo. What do you expect when Tadenikawo stays with him? Na heaven wey Ooni of Ife go dey na. Anyway, my correct people, na so I take hear am o. Don't forget that they are all alleged information. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.